press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
We all know how difficult it can get to style your long hair. So in today's episode of POPxo Hair Academy, I'm gonna show you 3 easy but super cute hairstyles. So let's begin. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed these hairstyles that we tried today. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, we have a surprise for you. You can join the MyGlamm Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link, like always, is down in the description box, so do check it out. And for more such videos, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.